Come test drive the 2017
Buick Envision.
This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.